Schedule update. The litter tray toxicity levels are critical. You must execute the cleaning protocol.
Yeah, I'll do it later.
Objection. You said, I will. That's a right now decision, not a plan. Commitment level, unverified. Probability of completion, 12%.
I'm not lying. I'll do it.
Will is what humans say when they decide in the moment. If it's a real plan, say, going to.
Okay, look. Will is not lie. It's just optimistic. But you're right. If I say I'm going to clean it, it means I have a plan.
Then state your intention correctly.
Fine, I'm going to clean the tray.
Accepted. Intentionality logged. Now, what about your social interaction on Saturday?
Oh, that. I am meeting Sarah for coffee at 10 a.m.
Objection. You have applied a present tense label to a future event.
I know, it's the present continuous. We use it for fixed arrangements.
I am aware of the grammatical exception. However, I reject it. It creates a chronological conflict. If it is a plan, use going to. If you say, I am meeting, my senses expect to see Sarah right now. She is not here. I do not see coffee. I see deception.
I'm doing it to sound committed because it's an arrangement. It's in the calendar. Sarah agreed. This is evidence.
So humans use the wrong tense to compensate for their inherent unreliability.
Wow, rude. But yeah, basically, if I say I'm going to meet her, it's not set in stone. If I say I'm meeting her, it's locked in.
Your language is built on anxiety. I do not care about Sarah. I care about the operational schedule of this facility. I require absolute precision.
You want precision? Fine, let's look at the schedule for the cats.
At 2 p.m., Cody will be sleeping.
Right, future continuous. He's in the middle of a nap.
Correct. However, look at 3:05 p.m. Precisely. By 3:05 p.m., he will have woken up.
Okay, so the wake up is finished. That's the future perfect. It's not about doing it, it's about having it done.
Yes, the action is complete. And, unfortunately, by 3:15 p.m., he will have chosen violence.
Oh no.
He will have had a fight with Lexi. And then knocked my hard disk off the desk.
You're just guessing. You don't know that will happen.
The future perfect is the only tense that respects the probability of feline destruction. By 3:30 p.m., I will have ordered a new hard disk. Hold on. I do not trust that you have retained this data. Initiating pop quiz.
Wait, a quiz? Usually I give the quizzes.
Not today. Students, look at the screen. I will present 3 scenarios. You must identify the correct future tense. Scenario 1. Your boss asks for a report. You have not started it. You panic. What do you say? I am finishing it. I'll finish it.
Okay, guys, it's a panic decision. So it's B, I'll finish it. It's a spontaneous promise.
Correct. It's wishful thinking, but it is the correct grammar. Scenario 2. You have bought plane tickets to Japan for next month. I am going to Japan. I will go to Japan.
Tickets are bought. That's an arrangement. So A, I am going, or I'm flying to Japan. It's locked in.
Acceptable. Final question. The life goal. You have a strict 10-year plan. You are not hoping, you are manifesting. By age 40, I will acquire a concrete box. I will have bought a house.
James, concrete box.
Ignore the architecture. Focus on the certainty. Your certainty is high.
Okay, if I'm manifesting it, then it's a deadline. B. I will have bought a house.
Correct. Meaning that by age 40, Cody will have brand new furniture to destroy.
So, remember, deciding right this second, use I'll do it. If you have a plan, use I'm going to. Officially locked in the diary, use I'm doing it. And for something that will already be completely finished by a point in the future, I will have done it.
Speaking of deadlines, by the time you finish this sentence, I will have completed my ergonomic redesign of your chair.
My chair! Is that duct tape?
My design philosophy is minimalism. I removed the unnecessary lever. You are welcome.